On October 7, 1913, 109 years ago, for the first time Henry Ford's entire Highland Park, Michigan automobile factory was run on a continuously moving assembly line when the chassis, the automobile's frame, was assembled using the revolutionary industrial technique. A motor and a rope pulled the chassis past workers and parts on the factory floor, cutting the person hours required to complete one Model T from 12.5 hours to 6. Within a year, further assembly line improvements reduced the time required to 93 man-minutes. The staggering increase in productivity effected by the Ford's use of the moving assembly line allowed him to drastically reduce the cost of the Model T, thereby accomplishing his dream of making the car affordable to ordinary consumers. In introducing the Model T in October 1908, Henry Ford proclaimed, "I will build a motor car for the great multitude." Before then, the decade-old automobile industry generally marketed its vehicles to only the wealthiest Americans because of the high cost of producing the machines. Ford's Model T was the first automobile designed to serve the needs of middle-class citizens. It was durable, economical, and easy to operate and maintain. Still, with a debut price of $850, the Model T was out of reach to most Americans. The Ford Motor Company understood they had to increase productivity to lower unit costs, and the method by which it was accomplished transformed the industry forever. Eventually, the company produced one Model T every 24 seconds, and the price fell below $300. More than 15 million Model T was built before it was discontinued in 1927, accounting for nearly half of the automobiles sold in the world to that date. The Bible tells us that organization produces good results. When talking about how we should organize ourselves for the service in the church, Paul says in Ephesians 4, verses 11 and 12, "And he himself gave some to be apostles, some prophets, some evangelists, and some pastors and teachers, for the equipping of the saints for the work of ministry, for the edifying of the body of Christ." Do you want to be part of this great church assembly team? May God bless you.